So something that I've been searching for is a really good organic, vegan-friendly pancake and waffle mix, and Annie's has actually come out with these two really great options, and I just love that I can order them online through Amazon and have them sent directly to my door. The reasons why I really like this specific mix is one, because it's certified USDA organic. If you know anything about me, I really prefer to eat organic food, and I also really prefer to eat non-enriched flour and products, because a lot of products right now they're adding synthetic vitamins and minerals, but both of these mixes that are made by Annie's do not have enriched flour. So I really appreciate that. The simple ingredients in this basic mix is just organic wheat flour, organic sugar, expeller pressed sunflower oil, and baking powder and sea salt. So they're just really minimal ingredients. Now, the other bonus is that they actually share with you exactly how to make these vegan. So it's just a really quick and easy mix to be able to use. And it's not very expensive, especially on Amazon. So check out the links in my description below for where you can purchase both of these. This is a confetti pancake and waffle mix, and then this is just a basic classic pancake mix. So mixes are so fun to use because you can actually do so much with a mix, and I'm hoping to be able to actually share with you a lot of recipes, not just pancakes, not just waffles, using these mixes. So be sure to like this video and subscribe for more if that's what you're into.